that kind of like puts me in a position to start with showing you some content edits. And then once I've done that, that'll give you a pretty good understanding of how the system works. And then I'll step into the more little detailed training element of Word and Excel specifically. Just prior to me doing that, just lastly, a couple of features to note within the system itself. So I'm just enlarging my screen slightly. All right. So the system does distinguish between certain types of what we call placeholder highlighting characters. And the reason for using or implementing that specifically within the system is to, within your output file, to make it very easy to recognize that. All right. So in other words, for example, if you've had like page 31 and page XX, now what the system will do, if there is a double X in your input file, it will immediately transform it into apples with a highlighted color associated to it. Because page numbers obviously right in the beginning isn't well established and we don't know what those page numbers are, as opposed to leaving it a flat color like in this case black, because the page number is not determined yet and gets depicted by two placeholder values of XX, that in turn will then enable the highlighting feature that you see here. That's one of the features. And then, of course, the system also does distinguish between currencies. So, for example, if you had put Rand X or Rand XX or Pound X, any currency, any dates, so XX November, it will automatically within the output go and highlight and place emphasis for you so that at a later stage, you could return to that information and slot in the actual value. Once you do slot in the actual value, and in this case, I've got like a page 31, it will unhighlight that particular placeholder highlight and then return it into the normalized style of what it should be appearing against. And in this case, because it's a black paragraph, it will then appear in black again.